Need to hit up the local mall. See if they got any sneaker deals. Chic's been the most aggressive with their sales. Looking for some grade school shoes. I'm checking the women's. Because they could wear, kiddos could wear women's. Guys do with Jordans and stuff. I don't, man, this is too bright. I've seen these, but yeah, man. I forgot I need to find this fool some basketball shoes. That's what I need to find him, huh? And I need to go to Foot Locker. No luck at the Foot Locker outlet. They didn't have the sizes I need. Those are pretty decent at 55. The 2.3s. Don't want to spend 100 or more than that for these. Mids, $80. These mids for 55, not too bad. Those right here, like a Christmas color right here. Finally, I just saw this at Ross for 40. This is a grade school. It's 55 here, so not even that much. Not even that much more at Chic, which is pretty dope. More of the mids right here for grade school. But yeah, crazy. They don't really have that many performance shoes for kiddos at these stores, huh? Like for men's, they have the Jordan section right here, which has been pretty static, I want to say. Prices have been similar for a while. Then they've had this section right here. The prices have been really good, like those Dunks for 55. That's kind of crazy. Cheaper than was it cheaper than the Foot Locker outlet? I don't remember. Trying to see what the cheapest signature sneaker right here are. They're all starting to look the same now, dude. They're all starting to look the same. Well, I guess these are all the same. The 5s, the Zoom Free 6s. I do got the KDs. The KDs are the only ones that really look different. I'm not trying to spend that much though. I've not really seen those on sale by that much. And then these going for 80. Ross has had these for more than that, I feel like, right? That's not bad for 100. Couple of LeBron 22s on sale. Y'all see Bronny James ball out? That fool had, what, 17 points or something like that? That was kind of crazy. I think Stephen A. Smith even apologized and said, hey, maybe I was wrong. I was like, damn, that's pretty crazy. But yeah, I do got the Jordans right here, the year of the Mambas. I'm still surprised they got those. And I just did a collection video. I just talked about how they come out with these every 4 years. Yeah, man, this is a 2024 release. Some books. I've never seen this colorway right here. Never even seen this material on any of his shoes right here. Do have a couple on sale. Go for 195. We've seen the tech challenges on sale. Not really seen performance stuff, I guess. Like crazy discounts. Like we see solid discounts, but I'm trying to find stuff for way cheap, and might have to hit up some Rosses. The Rosses have had some crazy basketball sneakers, but yeah, kind of the same stuff over here. I think those two holiday colorways, the best prices for the Dunks and the Air Forces. But yeah, $70, not too bad. Not too bad. Women's section right here, Dunks for $50, $60 for those. These are the only place where I've seen the R4 shocks, right? The R4 shocks right here, down to 70. That's a hell of a price. That's bright as hell, but that's a hell of a price. But not much has changed. I think I'm gonna have to check the rest of the stores in this mall. Yeah, I can't get these. Well, that's a little more than I want, but I can't get these for him for hoops, right? I can, but they're not really that performance, right? Like that good for performance stuff. Nah, I'm good. Oh, they do got the LeBrons. Okay, so they have at least a couple basketball shoes over here technically. It's tough checking the Foot Locker store after the Foot Locker outlets, but well, look. I guess sometimes it's about the availability. I just went there and they didn't have too many sizes that I needed, so all right. Yeah, sales rack always worth checking. Is the price right though on anything? That's the question. Yeah, I forgot. Looking for kid sizes kind of a pain in the butt sometimes, huh? Like, I'm sure they have these in a size 10. I'm sure they would have had it at the Foot Locker outlet because they had this for $50 over there. Got the Forces that we saw over there at Chic. I saw these over there at the Foot Locker outlet as well. They do got some AEs right here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually a really big fan of these chrome ones right here. These are blingy as hell. Holy crap. You wear this on the court, that makes you be like, damn, that's bright as hell. That's cool though, that's cool. And They're 130, like pretty freaking reasonable. And it's cool that Foot Locker lately has had a ton of basketball shoes, like performance stuff, not just casual stuff, because it's kind of the way it's been. But yeah, they got all these Hardens right here. They got 3 different colorways. What they go for? What they go for? Like 150 or something? Still got the older Hardens right here. They on sale? Are they on sale? These, yeah, 160 is not on sale. They got the Antas right here. These the Kyrie Speeds. Yeah, the Kyrie Speeds right here. The Kai Speeds. They got new colorways. I don't think I've ever seen this one right here. Did I just recently see this? I don't know. But that's definitely interesting. These are going for $125 for all those. Then do got the Air More Up Tempos right here. Or the Air Max Up Tempos. My bad. The Air Max Up Tempos. Yeah, man. These are just definitely not good for wide feet gang. But yeah, this is $165. So they went up, what, $5? All right, let's go. Checking out the kid stuff right here. Like I said, I'm trying to buy something for a kiddo. I'm way surprised they still have the black cement 3s. That's actually not bad. $50. That's actually not bad for grade school. I wonder what sizes grade goes up to. I don't know how these fools do it. Damn, I do miss the Champs outlet. Damn. I guess we could check this thing right here. Could even do these, but I don't know. I haven't heard good things about the Tatum ones. Actually, the Tatum 1 grade school and the men's are quite different though. Like you're not floating above like on the men's. Kind of interesting. $50 though. And then even these, the Pro Strongs, kid would even appreciate that. Oh wait, look. Forsters right here. Is this grade school? Is this women's? What is this? $50 is however price that is grade school right there. Dunks go for $100. These Itchy from the Itchy and Scratchy. No, I was gonna say forums, but these are the rivalries. These have gone down a little bit more, but nothing super crazy. Wait, I did want to check this right here. I was in a hurry last time. I do have a few minutes to look around now, or just rummage through this thing. They had the decent stuff last time. It's all just $5. They had the ones that I like, and I was in such a hurry I didn't grab them. These actually are really good. They're normally what, $12. They're down to $5, so $2.50 per sock or per pair of sock. And yeah, these are really nice material. But yeah, the ones that they had last time, they're gone. Dang it. Happened to be looking at some of the running shoes, Pegasus 40s, man. They're on the 41s right now. $60, pretty solid deal. I don't know what's changed between the 40s and the 41s, but seems like a pretty solid deal. This is the 40 right here. That's the 41. It doesn't look like it's changed that much. The ankle area in the back looks like it changed a little bit, but doesn't seem too different. Ooh, wait, React X versus regular React. I don't know if I can tell the difference between React X and regular React though. So apparently Nike is changing up their running shoes. I think this is a good time to explain that. Before they had the Infinity runs, the Invincible runs, and all that type of stuff. Now they're just simplifying it. They're just keeping the structures, the Pegasus. I was wondering if the Vomeros are on the back. Nah, but they're only keeping the Vomeros, Pegasus, and the structures, and then they're making a base version, a plus, and a premium version of all 3 shoes, it seems like. They're getting rid of the Invincible runs and the Infinity runs and all that type of stuff, just to simplify it, looks like, because people don't know. I don't think most people know like the difference between all of them. I guess I got to explain that to you guys here, but I think we're done here. Couple more stores left. There's a men's section right here. Jordan 9s sold out. Is every Jordan Retro going to be tough to get now? Or is that just the Jordan 9? They do that with the Jordan 9 sometimes. Kind of interesting. The 5s were somewhat limited, not crazy limited, somewhat limited, as well as the flu games. I'm curious. JD Sports, they've been pretty aggressive for some of their sales as well. You know, is it them or Shoe Palace? Are they in second place with all their sales? The waterproof ones right there go for $95, and look, $65 for these $50 off. So these right here, those as well, like a lot of sales, man. The Air Max Up Tempos. They're the only ones with 2 colorways. This one, I don't think it's supposed to release for a while, but they do have them out early. JD does have a history of having stuff really early. I want to say they've had that for a few weeks now, like 2 or 3 weeks already. Okay, it looks like here's my answer. I was asking this when I was at the Foot Locker outlet, like, hey, what sizes does grade school start at? And I don't know. Right here it shows 8. So does that mean grade school goes till 7:30 or 7.5? That says something there. 7.5, just like Nike. I think for Nike it goes till 7, right? I don't know. Yeah, 4 to 7 right there, and 7.5 is just hard as hell to find. I think that's what it is. Like, you have to go to the women's section. 85, man, come on, 85 for that? Come on, dude, that's too hot. Come on now. I was just talking about how they've been pretty aggressive, and then best deal is this Reebok Classic or Classic nylons right here. That's about it, I think. I guess I'll check the grade school 55 and 95. Man, I'm gonna have to check Ross. That's what I'm gonna have to do. All right, let's go see what's up with the Shoe Palace. Well, this is really an interesting mix. Oh yeah, that's really an interesting mix. I don't know if you guys can hear the song in the background. Jordan-wise, not really much going on. I still think I should grab one of these. What is it? The Concord 1? The Concord 1 lows right here, 125. I still think I should grab one. They still also have the retro backpacks here for $50. They got the 12s and 13s. Normally retail for what? $85. They're down to $50. Are they gonna go down even more? Wait, Hoka's on sale? What's up with these Hokas? The Bondi's on sale. 110 for the Bondi's, really? Normally 150, 160? Trying to remember the price of the Bondi's normally, but $100, that is definitely a solid price. The Bondi 9's 170 down to 110. This is a older model because the Bondi 9s are out. I wasn't aware the Bondi 9s are out. The midsoles seem to change, and like the back has changed a little bit, but I'm gonna be honest, I use mine for walking, so it doesn't really matter too much to me if it's changed. But $60 off. We have not seen Bondis on sale, but we also haven't seen them at the retail stores. They've always been at like the specialty shops. The Bondis being on sale, that is such a freaking surprise to me. The Bondis, I am a big fan of those because of the cushioning, and also because the toe box is so wide. I'm on a thing where I need to buy shoes with wide toe boxes. I'm gonna try to find some Invincible runs for a solid price. But nowadays it seems like every time the Invincible runs go on sale, they sell out because people seem to like them. God dang it. $60 for Ja ones right here. That's not bad. Pretty much 50% off. Everything else, kind of the same stuff that we've seen on sale lately. I don't think they have the Ja ones and stuff like that in a grade school, do they? Not really. They do have the Olympics on sale, which is pretty to $100. They got the powder blue 9s as well, $100. That's not bad. 13s for $100. They still have 3 different 6s in grade school, $100 each. Coming back to the women's section right here, $50 for 574s. That's not too bad. This color's not too shabby, not too bad. We saw these earlier for $60. They're $80 here. The Dunk Low Twist, $60. That's a solid price. Very solid price. All right, let's go see what's up at Dick's. And I figured since I am looking for some basketball shoes and running shoes, might as well check the performance store right here. They got a pretty good selection. The hell is that? That ain't no performance shoe. What the hell? Got some budget ultra. Man, they be having some budget stuff on sale. That's it. All their signature shoes, nothing really on sale. This is all the grade school stuff right here. They got the 12s. They're down to $100. But this is grade school, so they're probably always $100. Never mind. The Curry 12s right here. If y'all want these, man, hit up the Foot Locker outlet. If you want these are the budget ones. Hit them up as well. Colorway, especially if colorway doesn't matter. Checking the men's basketball section. Not seeing nothing, dude. Nothing on sale. At least I get to show you guys the Dawn issue 6s. This is the first time I've ever seen these. I use Light Strike Pro on them now. $120 for these. I think they look better than the prior Dawn issues. All the Dawn issues and the passive look so ugly. Got the New Balance 2-ways right here. Some non-signature budget basketball shoe with New Balance 120. And to me, seeing like Curry's for regular price kind of crazy because I've seen them at the Foot Locker outlet so much. They do have colorways that we don't see at too many other spots. They got the Monopoly LeBron 22s right here. Haven't really seen this at too many other places. Someone mentioned in the comment section on my collection video, hey, you need to buy some more Lucas because, you know, as a Laker fan, we should be supporting, but I can't buy these. I cannot buy these. Come on, really? Like, dude, these look like some Skechers, bro. Like, these ain't it, man. These ain't it. These not it. Performance-wise, maybe they are, but nah, man, I can't be rocking these like that. Especially for hoops, since them Jordan 38s they've been it for me, man. They've been taking care of business. Clifton 9s, 20% off. The 10s are probably gonna come out soon because we just saw the Bondis. We just saw the Bondi 9s, so I'm assuming the Clifton 10s are gonna be out soon. But yeah, these look comfy, man. These are wide as well. That's why I need to get me a couple more Hokas, man. I just ain't paying no whatever the hell they cost. What, 150, 160. Definitely not doing that. But yeah, these are the Cliftons right here, the Clifton 9s. These are the brand new Bondi 9s right here. And you can tell by the midsole. The midsole's changed quite a bit. The wavy lines are gone. Oh, the wavy lines are just different than they were on the prior Bondis. I don't see any of the Bondi 8s. Does that mean they're gonna go to the warehouse? Does that mean they're gonna go on sale at the Dick's Sporting Goods outlet? I'm gonna have to check. Maybe I might go there next week. But nice to see Bondis on sale. Not seen too many other running shoes on sale. What was this? The Pegasus Plus was 40% off. It looks like it's sold out. Damn. The Vomeros, it looks like the Vomeros are gonna take the place of the Invincible runs. Look at the Vomeros. Look at the stack height now. It looks very, very similar, and it does use Zoom X, so it looks like the Vomeros, because the Vomeros and the Pegasus, they've been too close to each other. They've been too similar. So I think they're gonna make the Vomeros a recovery shoe, and they're gonna have the Pegasus right here. These are 40% off. Okay, then they're gonna have the regular Pegasus right here. They'll have the Pegasus Plus, which is right there, and then they'll have the the premiums. Then I don't know if they have the structures. Yeah, then they'll have the structures. This is for someone who really needs a little bit more rigid cushioning and a little more midfoot support, it seems like. Okay, and they're gonna have a plus and a premium version of this, I think, as well. But yeah, I hope a bunch of these go on sale before they're done with them, because I would like a couple of these. And the Vomeros seem very comfortable too, because like I said, it looks very, very similar. The Vomeros I've always had Zoom Air inside too, but I think they're gonna get rid of that. Because like I said, they were just way too similar to the Pegasus. I don't know what the difference was, to be really honest. All right, they got multiple colorways of the Invincible runs. Hopefully they go on sale.